It is a boat.
It's right.
Please take care when moving around the vessel to about that all the time, and all children under constant supervision. I would also
Hello Internet, this is Future Cat here, because I realised I didn't actually record anything while I was in Hobart explaining where we were going on the boat or what we were doing. Allowed in the pointy end. We're going to Mona, the Museum of Old and New Art, which is a privately run art gallery way up the river from Hobart. And to get there, I think you can get there by land, but like the way you're supposed to go there is by boat. And there's actually artworks on the ferry that make part of the experience. We're at the Museum of Old and New Art in Mona. I'm doing the usual herding bookcrossers trick. You start on top of the hill and the gallery itself is like all buried within the hill, so you go downstairs. So it's updating from online news sources looking for statistically significant words, so it's an always changing artwork. We've just come from very, very dark spaces into this very lit room. This is so disorientating. It's a really strange gallery because it's not publicly owned. It doesn't have the constraints that a normal publicly owned gallery have, so it's really just down to the whim of the owner as to what artworks get included. A lot of very experimental stuff, a lot of installations. Some of them are, I guess, controversial. I'm not sure if I got to see everything in the gallery because it's a very confusing place. There is kind of a map, but it's not very helpful. And I kept thinking I'd seen an entire floor, and then I'd suddenly discover there was another side passage I'd missed and go down there. Every so often run into some of the other bookcrossers who were all equally lost, and we'd all compare notes on what artworks we'd seen so far and realise that there was whole chunks we'd missed. I know a lot of the bookcrossers on the trip weren't impressed by the gallery and thought some of the art was pretty rubbish, but I actually enjoyed most of it. There were the odd piece that didn't do anything for me, but I just loved the whimsy and the sense of if you throw enough money at an artist, what will they produce? And it was all just a lot of fun. Your band's harder to make bells ring. Right,
Jump a sheep.
I'm sitting on a sheep.
Let's go!
This one's galloping.
A walkway with another room with prisms in it. Oh yeah, I saw that. That was nice. And then we could look into the cafe that's on the wall.
Psycho-oral experience.
Yes.
That was cool.
We didn't get into the dentist chair.
Oh, okay.
Do that with her.
Yeah, that was really nice. I could have gone to sleep there quite happily. It was just ocean noises. And really
We
lovely.
looked and there were too much of a queue to do the oh yeah, there were quite a few people at that door and I thought,
Really just ahead of me. And one of the kids went into the room and screamed because he got such a loud seat something about it.
Yeah.
Look into that head where you can see and the birds and the apples and the harpies.
Thank you, Claire.
so what do we do? Yell at the end?
Hands up.
Oh, hands up.
Yeah, hands
So we've got to
up.
be polite.
Yeah. Right. Who did Prince Frederick marry?
Princess Frederick.
Yeah, Suzanne's and Mary Donaldson of Tasmania.
Oh, correct. In 1911, Douglas Mawson's ship docked in Hobart on its way to the Antarctic. What was the ship's name? It's one of these four.
Oh, okay.
Okay, the Aurora, the Arctical, the Verimana, or the Vestige?
The first one.
Correct. In 2008, the Australian state with the highest fertility rate, with women having on average 2.24 children, was Tasmania. True or false?
False.
Incorrect. True! But still the winner this time.
They cheated.
Thanks everyone.
Thank you.